Let's get spicy! Today is Mustard Day. We are talking about all things mustard, and I am pretty excited. Mustard has been overlooked in my life for far too long, but that has recently changed. It used to just be for hot dogs and hamburgers, but I've rediscovered mustard and all the amazing ways it is tasty, low-calorie, and nutritious. Join me as we dive in today and get saucy with this spice. Food is fabulous. Eat, drink, and be merry. We love to eat. What makes each food we eat so rad? Join me. I'm your host, Lisa Toney, on the Food Fabulous Show to learn all about the foods you eat, or should. Did you know that mustard is the leading spice worldwide? People love their mustard. More than 300,000 metric tons are produced each year. Mustard is one of the world's oldest spices and condiments known to humankind. Egyptian pharaohs stocked their tombs with mustard seeds to accompany them into the afterlife. The Romans were the first to grind the spicy seeds into a spreadable paste and mix them with a flavorful liquid, usually wine or vinegar. And French monks, who mixed the ground seeds with unfermented wine, inspired the word mustard, which comes from the Latin mustum ardens, roughly meaning burning wine. Mustard grows as a cruciferous vegetable. Some of the plants in the cruciferous veggies are mustard, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and radishes. The seeds of the mustard plant are used as a spice, just like pepper, and the seeds are also what is made into the popular yellow condiment. Almost all the parts of the plants are usable, and the leaves are boiled and eaten as vegetables. They are very easy to grow and do not require much attention. This mustard plant loves cold, and so it is preferable to plant it in the early parts of spring. Mustard leaves have a strong flavor and can be eaten raw or cooked like spinach. These very green leaves are rich in iron. Your body loves iron because it uses iron to make hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. Iron also makes myoglobin, which is a protein that provides oxygen to muscles. Mustard seeds and leaves are believed to stimulate your body to fight off disease. So what a win! Mustard helps you deliver oxygen to your body and fight off disease. Mustard also is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is good for your eyes. Vitamin C helps wounds heal, and vitamin K helps your blood clot when you are wounded. So how do we get that yellow mustard in the bottle from a plant? Great question. The seeds are harvested and softened in a liquid, usually wine or vinegar, and then combined with salt and ground up. They're sieved and reduced to a paste. You may be surprised to know that mustard isn't actually that bright yellow. Turmeric is added to give it that bright yellow color. Turmeric, a plant in the ginger family, is native to Southeast Asia and is grown commercially in that region, primarily in India. Mustard hasn't always been used just in culinary delights. Mustard was known for its medicinal benefits before people used it to flavor foods. The Greeks used its paste to cure toothaches, boost appetite, and improve blood circulation. Mustard for food and medicine, but also for a little fun. There's a very famous mustard in a popular board game. You guessed it, Clue. Yes, we're giving a shout out to Colonel Mustard in the game Clue. Who do you usually choose when you play Clue? I have to say, I'm more of a Miss Scarlet fan myself, but Colonel Mustard adds a bit of intrigue to the mystery game. His bio says that to the outside world, he is a hero. Colonel Mustard is a highly decorated, successful, and popular officer. However, behind his medals are rumors of black market deals and treason. Rumors he's been paying someone to keep secret far too long. Oh man, you gotta watch out for this dignified, dapper, and dangerous guy. Just like real mustard, it sounds like he knows how to pack a punch. Alrighty, well let's get back to the real thing. The taste of mustard condiments ranges from sweet to spicy. Mustard is commonly paired with meats, vegetables, and cheeses, especially as a condiment for sandwiches, hamburgers, corn dogs, and hot dogs. It also is used as an ingredient in many dressings, glazes, sauces, soups, and marinades. I've been a little behind the rest of Americans because the American mustard consumption rate is the highest in the world. Wisconsin? Well, Wisconsin really loves their mustard. The Mount Horeb Mustard Museum in Wisconsin is entirely dedicated to the mustard plant. It stores a collection of 5,000 jars of mustard, brought from 60 countries and 50 states. Each year, on the first Saturday in August, they paint the town yellow and roll out the yellow carpet for the Mustard Festival on National Mustard Day. Saskatchewan, a province in Canada, is the world leader in the production of mustard seeds, producing half of the world's supply of mustard seeds. More than 700 million pounds of mustard are consumed worldwide every year. Mustard adds tang, spice, and zest to foods. This might be one of the reasons that the saying, "cut the mustard," came about in American vernacular to mean doing something well or with success. In the early 20th century, people even went around calling each other mustard. "He's mustard," for example, meant he's great. Mustard is most often used as a tasty condiment on cold and hot meats. It is also used as an ingredient in mayonnaise, vinaigrettes, marinades, and barbecue sauces. Barbecues and cookouts are not complete without the ketchup and mustard to accompany all those hot dogs, hamburgers, and bratwurst. Mustard makes a great dip for soft pretzels, steamed artichokes can be enjoyed with mustard, and mustard makes a great mix with tuna salad and deviled eggs. One of my oh-so-favorite things about mustard is that it is very low-calorie, with only 5 calories in 1 teaspoon. This low-carb and fat-free yellow dip can amp up the flavor of food by adding a spicy kick. I have discovered that it is an excellent dip with raw cucumbers. I'm not kidding. Give it a try. You may get hooked just like I have. What a delicious and low-cal snack. Can you believe there are 11 different types of mustard? It's true. They are each unique and can give your foods a delicious boost. I've paired this fun list of 11 types of mustard with 11 surprising things that you should try mustard on. I already revealed my favorite cucumber and mustard combo, but there are some really good calorie replacement options that I bet you have never thought of that you simply must try. I've got a special cheat sheet for you that you can grab to keep you in the know and try our favorite yellow friend in some new things. Just head on over to bodyinnovation.com/mustard or click the link in the show notes. There is also a super fun link to a gourmet sample pack from Mustard & Company, which is a 5-flavor mustard set if you want to give them a spin. Alrighty, friends. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this spicy episode of Food Fabulous. Here's to the unsung hero of mustard. May it zing up your food and keep you fabulous. See you next week.